In this video, we will show you how to add header in Google Docs or Google Documents. First, create new documents. Then click Insert and select Headers. Just click this. This is your header. Okay. For example, we put in the center. And if we have the second page like this, you can see there the header is appear again in the second page. You can also change the size of the header. Just click Format and Header and Footer, and you can select the header margins, for example, like this. And that's all tutorial how to add header on Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.